Head is the call. 80
Very, very strong side, the Bandya Army Dragons.
size were top heavy. Siddiqullah Atal Mohammed.
Stroked away. Firmly for 4. First boundary for the team, Bandya Army Dragons.
The secret of success.
It's coming fine for 4.
Huge appeal by Dawlat Zadran. Ikram Ali Keel, the wicket keeper.
Tucked away. It's gone fine. It's trickling away towards the boundary. Might just trickle into the boundary for 4.
A valiant attempt. The fielder from deep mid-wicket sprinted across to deep.
Driven handsomely. Lovely stroke along the ground for 4 from Siddiq Atal.
There is something about a left-hander playing the cover drive.
او ډیره په زړه پورې لوبه ده. صدیق اتل او توپ ته باونډرۍ څخه د باندې 4 منډې.
از طرف دولت زدران بال بلند البته انجام میشه که آمادگی خاص و ویژه. این بار البته بال فلتاس، بال پرسرعت از طرف صدیق الله اتل با 4 دوش. البته این بال همچنان بازی میشه. دولت
پړاو کې بیا هم توپ له بول کیږي او د سکویر لیګ باونډرۍ څخه د باندې 4 منډې. لیګ سټم څخه څه د باندې توپ او لیکې کړ د 4 منډو لپاره صدیق.
از طرف زبید اکبری در مقابل شهزاد محمدی، اما شهزاد محمدی این بار فرصت را برای خود مساعد بسازد. به طرف لانگ آف شارت بلند را به خاطر انجام نبودن
لیوکو او آف ساید باندې ولوباو. ازل بالکل د سکوپ هڅه کول او توپ ته باونډرۍ څخه د باندې 4 منډې. شهزاد محمدی دا مهال کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې په زړه پورې توپ
و از این اوور البته استفاده از زمین میخواهد بنماید و این هم فرصت چانس با زبید اکبری و تیم اسپین غدیاری میکند.
بالکل ډیر په زړه پورې کې چې تر سره کړ کو ګورو د ستایل اوور کې.
اما در کل شاکر صاحب قسمی که دیده میشه در ترکیب تیم اسپین غر کپتانشان این هم تکرار گرفتن کیچ. صحنه خیلی دلپذیر و خوب. بالنگ زبید اکبری شارت البته پر کنترل انجام نشد، اما چیزی که استایل شهزاد محمدی است، در چیزی که مشهور ما
وګورو بیرته خالد تنیوال دغه بیا هم کټ شاټ او توپ ته پوینټ باونډرۍ څخه د باندې 4 منډې. حشمت الله شهیدي ګورو چې د خالد تنیوال په ځای باندې بیرته
63 for 1. That was there to be hit, and he wasted no time whatsoever. Sends it sailing, had just enough power to clear the fence too.
Well, they needed this. There were some breaks on the scoring. Rashid Khan in the early over conceded only 5 runs. So this had to come. For some time, they were a little quiet. This was full in the slot. Hashmatullah Shahidi hit it straight as an arrow for a flat 6.
In the end, it became easy pickings as well, wasn't? Gets it in the gap. And that'll go unchallenged for 4. Siddiqullah Atal thrives on even. Hashmat will depart. Rashid has answered the crowd. He's come back with a wicket already. This is magnificent to watch as the crowd roars. If you could decide by decibel levels, then Rashid has picked up a hat-trick. He loves to do that. He's thrown the bat at a third man inside the circle. The shot was on. Will reach a half century perhaps with not the most fluent stroke, but what we've seen before that has been an innings of substance. He was struggling in the first over to put bat to ball, but he stood like... This is the Etisalat Pagiza Cricket League 2025. Not from the best part of the bat. The region might change. The result is sweet. Siddiqullah Atal has stopped complaining. He scored more runs in the over behind the wicket. Full toss. Oh, would be taken. Sadiqullah Atal's back in the heart because of an unbelievable catch. He's made it look so simple. After all the trials and tribulations and good deliveries, it's one of the most innocuous deliveries that has got rid of a set Sadiqullah.
We were just talking about how good he is.
ل 50 وي بره منډه تر لاسه کړې وي. یو ځل بیا معافیل تر سره کیږي خو د رن آوټ دپاره هڅه او آوټ. په دې سره پر رن آوټ خپله ویکټ له لاسه ورکوي. وبه ګورو او ښکلې هڅه وه.
لیگ بفور آئی تھنک زه فکر کوم ال بی ډبلیو اپیل په نتیجه کې رن آوټ هم شوی هغه بېله مسله ده خو زه فکر کوم چې ال بی ډبلیو آوټ ورکړ لوبسار عزت الله صاحب کویر لیگ بهر دی لانګان بهر دی دغه ایریا هم کور کړی او دغلته خالیګاه ده او سلوریزه ګلبدین نایب ګوره لومړی سلیزه د روان شپږیزه کرکټ لیگ او فاین لیگ دننه دی هڅه کوي نه توانېږي څلورو منډو مخه یې څوک نشي نیولی ګلبدین نایب
بالکل کوي او بال یو ځل بیا د څلورو منډو لپاره له باونډرۍ څخه بهر. ډیفاین لیګ کې فیلډر
او دلته آوټ سایډ ایج او افتاب البته اسمت عالم لاسونو ته ډالۍ ورځي. ګلبدین نایب وکټ او وکټ په کار او راغله چې وړاندې مې اشاره وکړه او دلته ظاهر خان توانېږي.
بالکل ظاهر خان ډیر ښه روان دی. تیر ډیر ښه کیچ ترلاسه کړ. څومره په ښکلي انداز سره څومره په ښه ځای کې دغه بال ترسره کړی و.
اصل چې هر وخت د سپینغر لپاره د وکټ ضرورت شوی نن او وکټ راغلی ده. یوازې صدیق او حشمت الله شهیدي لږ څه ناسه ملګرتیا وکړه هلته خو چې هر ځای کې د وکټ ضرورت شوی دی توپ اچونکی راغلی وکټ یې اخیستې ده او دا د سپینغر لپاره ښه راتګ دی. خو یادونه کوو چې صدیق الله پاچا خطرناک توپ وهونکی داخلیږي لوبغالي ته بیټنګ لاین یې ډېر اوږد دی. پاچا شوړاسه او د پاچا سټرایک ریټ تاسو ته معلوم دی شپږیزه لانګان او لانګ اف ترمنځ تیرې سیالۍ وړاندې سیالۍ کې هم چې کله راغی په لومړي بال یې شپږیزه ترلاسه کړې وه او دلته هم په راتګ باندې ظاهر خان ته ښه راغلاست وایي.
بالکل تاسې وګورئ څومره په ښه انداز دغه بال راواخیست او له باونډرۍ څخه بهر یې د شپږو منډو لپاره ورګزار کړ. دا سمدواره راتګ او هیټ
بوم بوم صدیق الله
بالکل پاچا د شاټ
Shot in length. Square leg is bypassed easily and that goes for a boundary. Wasn't that a bad delivery, but I thought Zadran picked up the length early and punished it through square leg. It is a wrong one, slightly shorter, but finds the gap behind square to end the 18th over with a boundary. It's 149 for 5. Pull and straight for me. Short ball, sits up in the gap and one bounce to the boundary. Probably Pacha was expecting the short delivery, sitting back at the crease, in my opinion. Another slow delivery, probably the height. It looks straight, but the umpire thinks otherwise. It hit high on the thigh pad. Pacha thinking about going upstairs, but he's happy to walking. And Daulat Zadran has the last laugh.
That's the experience.
Shot, good option. Fine leg in the circle, scoops it over. The short fine leg fielder and goes for a boundary. The line was wrong from Daulat Zadran. When you consider there were 6 fielders in the offside, the line was straight. Fine leg in place, but it clears him and goes for a boundary. Expensive over. The penalty won 14 runs and 1 wicket from that over. 163 for 6.
They want him fit.
Shot, full, and it goes the distance. Just away from the long off fielder. It's a lovely hit by Zadran.
Mistake that Zahir Khan makes is gives air to this ball, bowls it slow and bowls it into the arc of Rahmanullah Zadran, who has enough power to send it off. You've got to bowl a little quicker.
I think more than quicker, the length is slightly shorter. That is too short. That's a freebie. Goes the distance. Short boundary to the leg side. That was not a lovely delivery at all.
Just taking cue from what you said, ball shorter and then that is too short. Tells you all. He just bowls like a medium pacer, too short. Rahmanullah Zadran, he's been there out in the middle for some time now. 2 more deliveries to be bowled.
That's better. That's better. That's the length. Top edge. Third man says mine and takes it pretty easily. Zair probably wanted to deliver the same delivery 2 deliveries before. Went for a 6. Got it spot on the next one and picks up a wicket.
Was among runs, but this is what transpired. Siddiqul Atal on the board.
Lots of